Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Veterans Day. I got to do a really quick, super fast garden update. I want to show you a couple things and then I'll get off of here. So we had a couple of days, we had a couple of chilly days. They got down at night, it got down to about 35, 37, 35 degrees. I covered the tomatoes and they're looking good. I pulled the covers off this morning. We are looking good on these big tomatoes. We did pick some more of the Juliets, and there's some more that are real close to getting ready to come off right there, and there's some down below there. So they're all, tomatoes are doing good. And then the other thing is we did a second pick on the beans. And I think we got close to or more than we got the first pick. We got some really nice looking beans. So going to go in and process those pretty quick. And yeah, so there you go. That's the update. That's all there is to it. I'm going to get off here. I appreciate you watching. Hit the like button, comment, and you can subscribe right here. I really appreciate you guys a lot. Surely do. See ya.